Hey guys, it's Amelia. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I'm really hungry right now, and I have to film this intro, and all I can think about is food. I just have a huge complaint. I hate GPSs so much, especially in Boston. My friend Lauren and I were driving to Boston to see Hillsong, and we're going through the tunnels, and it doesn't like say that it loses signal or anything, but it doesn't give you the right direction at the right time. So apparently we went to the wrong exit under the tunnels, and as soon as we get out, we're like still on the highway, and it's like, hey, you are here, you have arrived. And we're like, honey, where's this place? Needless to say, it took us a lot longer to get to where we needed to be than it should have. I never want to do it again. Today I did this really cool lavender halo eye. All of these like looks that I've been doing for the most part with like cut crease, halo eye, and stuff like that, I have like, I'm about to embarrass myself right now. I haven't practiced them that much, and that's why they're so poorly executed. But I try. I really try. So I hope you like it. But also to add on to this halo eye, it's monochromatic. Not the sickness mono, like it's all like in the same color scheme. So yeah, pretty cool life lessons with Mia. Guys, guess what? I got new brushes. Isn't it the best thing you've ever seen? That is for me. How you doing, brushes? Welcome home. Welcome to the family. Well, look at my monochromatic. I need to stop. Hey guys. All right, enough with all this chitter chatter. I went ahead and did my base makeup and my eyebrows off camera, so let's get started. First, I'm going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Plum Quad. It doesn't have any labeled shades, so I'm using the shade Contour right above my crease, and I'm blending that with a fluffy blending brush. Next, with the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette, I'm going in with the shade Exorcism, and I'm going to go ahead and work that into my crease. Next, I'm going in with the shade Sabbath and just deepening that crease a little bit more. I'm also taking that blending brush and I'm bringing the Sabbath color into the corner of my eyelids as well. Next, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape in shade Fair Neutral. And I'm taking a really small flat brush and I'm dragging that down in the very center of my eye so we can create this halo eye effect. So when I'm taking this flat brush, I'm carving out the top portion of my eyelid wider. Next, I'm going in back with that contour shade and I'm blending that into the edges of the halo eye. That way we can blend it throughout the rest of the eye. This way we get a seamless gradient transition from the outer corner into the middle and the inner corner into the middle as well. I'm just taking some setting spray and wetting my brush and going in with the shade Heaven. That way you get a more pigmented look. So I'm taking that and I'm packing that onto the middle portion of my eyelid. So I'm going back in with a blending brush and I'm taking Sabbath again and I'm just giving the eye a little bit more dimension. Next I'm going in with the Maybelline Color Tattoo Eye Chrome. This is in the color Silver Spark, and with a really thin brush I'm going over the outer line of the halo eye just to accent it and give it a nice little shine. Next I'm going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Candied Violet, and I'm taking that and blending that in my lower lash line. This has a really pretty subtle shimmer to it, so when the light catches it, it looks so nice. And there I go, dropping things all over again. So I'm going back in with the Heaven shade and I'm packing that right in the center of my lower lash line to give it a little bit more of an extra pop. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going in with the shade Luna and highlighting my inner corners and right below my brows as well, up on the brow bone. Of course, I'm going to be taking that same highlight and I'll be going down the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose as well. So I went in with my Kat Von D liquid ink liner. That's in the shade Trooper. I just went ahead and did that off camera because it takes so long since my product is coming to an end. Of course, I go in with my Loreal Lash Paradise and prep my lashes, and then I drop them. Honestly, biggest dork in the world right here. Don't worry guys, we saved my lash. His name is Benny. He's safe. Bad joke. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and buffing out the setting powder, and I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics contour kit and just giving me a little bit more of a warm glow around my face. I'm also using the blush that is in that palette as well. Next I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit again. This time I'm going to be using the shade Spectra, and I'm working that on my cheeks and I'm topping it with Luna. For my lips, I decided to use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick, and this is going to be in the shade Huntress. I'm completely obsessed with this shade. Lips is probably one of my favorite portions of a whole entire makeup look. Now I'm using my Milani Make It Last setting spray, and we're good to go. reenactment of my slow-mos. Am I pretty yet? I need help. Okay, well, this was it. Thank the Lord it's over. I don't know how you sit through these because I am cringe queen. That should be my new username, cringe queen. Make sure to like and subscribe to the cringe queen. Link down below. No, but in all seriousness, if you like what I do, honestly, it's crazy if you do, and I really appreciate if you do. Like, so much. I don't know how any of you put up with me. Just hit subscribe, hit the like button, hit that notification bell. That way you get notified when I'm uploading a video. So, yeah. God bless you guys. Just remember, you are deeply loved and highly favored in the eyes of our Lord and Savior. Never forget that. He loves you. I love you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. I freaking hope so. Come back, sit, stay a while. Ooh, baby, I love your highlight. No, really, like, that's just what I aspire to be every day of my life. Girl, get yourself a highlight if you don't have one. I'm serious. It'll change your entire life. How do you do? I give up. I gave up on that. Why is that a thing? I am strong and full of life. You must blend your contour or you will look like a witch. I need to like focus on this. This is where I'm supposed to be looking, not at my face. I'm not just staring at myself. It's just like it's something to look at when I'm talking. See if I'm making a stupid face, but I'm always gonna make a stupid face. Oh my gosh. What am I talking about?